Are you ready to finally reach your health goals in 2023? Look no further. In this video, I'll be sharing 8 simple yet effective tips for healthy eating that will help you start the new year off on the right foot. Stick with us and learn how to take control of your health and achieve the results you've always wanted. Let's get started. Tip number 1, plan your meals in advance. Planning your meals in advance is a crucial step in reaching your health goals in 2023. Meal prepping for the next week is a great way to set yourself up for success by having healthy options readily available. Planning out what you'll be eating for dinner each night also helps you stay on track and make healthier choices. By having a plan in place, you're less likely to fall into the trap of impulse decisions that can lead to unhealthy eating habits. Not only will meal planning help you make healthier choices, but it can also save you time and money. Preparing your own meals at home is often cheaper and can be more nutritious than relying on takeout or processed foods. Plus, by cooking in advance, you're less likely to resort to ordering in when you're short on time. With a little bit of planning, you'll be able to make healthier choices, avoid impulse decisions, and reach your health goals in 2023. Tip number 2, make vegetables the star of your plate. Making vegetables the star of your plate is a simple way to improve your diet and reach your health goals in 2023. Aim to fill at least half of your plate with a variety of colorful vegetables at every meal. These foods are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and can help boost your overall health. Eating more vegetables can also help with weight management by making you feel more full and satisfied without loading up on calories. Eating a diet rich in vegetables is associated with lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Eating a variety of different colored vegetables can also ensure that you're getting a variety of beneficial nutrients. Incorporating vegetables into meals can be as easy as adding a salad to your lunch, sautéing some greens for dinner, or having a veggie-based soup as a starter. Make vegetables the star of your plate and reap the benefits they offer while working towards your health goals in 2023. Tip number 3. Get your protein from a variety of sources. Getting enough protein is essential for maintaining good health and reaching your goals in 2023. However, relying solely on traditional sources like meat, poultry, and fish can be not only hard to meet your daily protein requirements, but also detrimental to your health and the environment. Incorporating plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, and tofu into your meals can provide a wealth of health benefits. They're packed with essential nutrients, lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, and associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases. There are many ways to include plant-based protein in your meals, from bean chili to veggie burger with tofu. These options not only provide variety, but are also easy to prepare. By including a variety of protein sources in your diet, you'll be able to meet your daily protein requirements, support your overall health, and make a positive impact on the environment in 2023. Tip number 4, keep a food diary. Keeping a food diary is a great way to stay accountable and make healthier choices in 2023. By writing down what you eat, you can gain a better understanding of your eating habits, identify areas for improvement, and track your progress. Using a notebook or a food diary app, which can offer features like calorie counting, meal tracking, and recipe suggestions. By being more mindful of your food choices and identifying emotional eating triggers, you can take control of your eating habits and make healthier decisions. Making it a daily habit at the same time each day will help make it a consistent habit. Be honest and non-judgmental with yourself, and use it as a tool to reach your health goals in 2023. Tip number 5, don't skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast can sabotage your health goals in 2023. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast is crucial for setting the tone for the rest of the day and making healthier choices. Eating breakfast can regulate appetite and metabolism by stabilizing blood sugar levels and kickstarting digestion. A balanced breakfast that includes protein, whole grains, and healthy fats can help you feel full and satisfied, preventing cravings and overeating later on. It doesn't have to be complicated. Options can include Greek yogurt with berries and granola, a smoothie with spinach and avocado, or a veggie omelet. The key is making sure it's well-balanced and contains a mix of macronutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. By starting your day with a nutritious breakfast, you're more likely to stay on track with your health goals and reach them in 2023. Tip number 6, limit your intake of added sugars and saturated fats. Limiting added sugars and saturated fats is key to achieving good health in 2023. Added sugars found in processed foods can lead to weight gain and increased risk of chronic diseases. Saturated fats found in animal products and processed foods can also increase risk of heart disease. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Choose healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, or fresh fruits instead of processed snacks. Cook at home more often and use healthy cooking methods like grilling, baking, and steaming. Use heart-healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts in your cooking. Be aware of the foods and nutrients you consume to control your health and achieve your goals in 2023. Tip number 7, stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining good health and reaching your goals in 2023. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water a day, and more if physically active or in a hot environment. Water aids in regulating body temperature, removing waste, and can also help in weight loss efforts. It can also help control your appetite, so you're less likely to overeat. Other low-sugar beverages like herbal teas and coffee can also be included in your daily water intake. Be mindful of other beverages consumed like soda, fruit juice, and sweetened drinks, as they are high in added sugars which can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Limit sugary drinks and balance them with water to stay hydrated. By staying hydrated and being mindful of your beverage choices, you'll be able to support your overall health and reach your goals in 2023. Tip number 8, don't be afraid to indulge every once in a while. It's important to strike a balance between healthy choices and indulgences to reach your health goals in 2023. While it's important to make healthy choices most of the time, it's also important not to be too restrictive with your diet. Indulging every once in a while, whether it be your favorite dessert or a glass of wine, is okay. Deprivation can lead to feelings of deprivation and can make it harder to stick to your healthy eating plan. Indulge in moderation and balance it out with plenty of healthy options throughout the day. Don't use indulging as an excuse to fall off track, rather make it a mindful decision to enjoy something in a balanced way. This can help maintain a healthy relationship with food, making it more sustainable in the long term. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to taking control of your health and reaching your goals in 2023. Remember, the key to success is consistency and making small changes that you can sustain over time. If you want to see the healthiest foods with 0 carbs and no sugar, you can't miss this video right here. Thanks for watching.